hit that bell, gang. Oh, I'm about to play with some Sims. First, I'm gonna do the store, cause stores is very cool. So I'm gonna put the sand inside the store. I think this is gonna be very cool. Wow! This is very cool. I like this. Now let's break it down. Hold up. Look, guys. Look. Slice it. Ooh, I want some gumballs.
No, Kitty, your hands are dirty. Katie,
Yes, Dezy.
did you wash your hands? And do not lie.
Yes, Dezy.
Then let me see your hands.
Okay.
Katie, that is not funny. You need to go wash your hands right now because I know you didn't wash your hands. I see it on your face and your hands right now. Go wash them. You're not getting no more bubble gum until you wash them.
Okay. Oh no! It's no more soap. Oh man, I guess I can't wash my hands no more.
Wow, these gumballs are so cool. Oh, dang. Time to put the top on. Look at the gumball. Let's do one. Wow, it's yellow, guys. Wow, so cool. That's tasty.
Hey Dezy, can I get gum now?
Katie,
Yes, Dezy.
did you wash your hands?
Yes, Dezy.
Then let me see your hands.
Uh-oh.
I knew your hands wasn't clean. You was acting like your hands wasn't clean, so go wash them now.
But Dezy, there's no more soap.
Okay, I'll bring you some. No worries, Katie. Let me go get it. Here you go, Katie.
Thank you. Alright, my hands is all clean. Alright, Dezy, can I get gum now?
Katie,
Yes, Dezy.
did you wash your hands?
Yes, Dezy.
Telling lies?
No, Dezy.
Okay, then let me see your hands, because I gave you soap and they should be clean.
Okay.
Great job, Katie. You can get a bubble gum now. Spin it.
Okay.
That's enough, Katie. Only 2.
Okay.
Wow, cool, right?
Yeah. Good. I like it.
I know, Katie. I tried it and it was very good, but I had got banana. I didn't really like it. Katie, let's separate the gumballs in a bright color.
Okay, I'm gonna do red.
I'm gonna do purple.
Put all the red inside the
2, 3, 4,
4,
5.
5, 6,
Wait.
7,
5. I'm looking. 5.
8,
I
9,
Where is mine?
10. yellow, orange, purple, and green. Alright, y'all, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Peace, gang. I'm gonna need all my cool kids to cart my merch right now. Swipe over to my shop and you can get whatever you want. I have face masks, sweaters, t-shirts, sink socks. I have all that. Girl clothes, I have all that. I have face masks, I have socks, I have all that. So make sure you get all of my merch right now. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Until next time.
Y'all, BBS, Diamonds Dancing, what's your nobody? 5 years old, I'm a star, but you nobody. Daddy said keep going, I'ma do the dance. They say I kill every beat, body bag. Shake off, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Triple threat, I'm at their neck, case closed. Run it up. Y'all, running up rat race, running up no shoe race. I say